Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to host a website on Google Cloud Platform. Um, See, most of you spend a huge amount of money on various cloud website host sites. You don't have to pay at all. There are different free services Google Cloud Platform provides, and you can use this for hosting a website, provided it doesn't have much traffic. Even if it's having a lot of traffic, it's very cheap compared to the website host sites. So let's get into it. First of all, you go to storage. You need a place to store your files. I mean the website files. So go to the storage. From here, create a bucket. Give it some name. Let's keep it site files. You can name it whatever you want. It has to be a unique name. Let's go to the region. That's all. It has to be standard. Make sure you click on this. All right. Don't click on this. It won't work if you're on that. So everything is fine. Just create it. All right. Now here, this is what you can store your files on. This is a bucket. Go to upload files, and these are my files actually, or the entire thing. So you have to make a zip file. So this is my zip file. So you can select all these files and create a zip file. So make a zip file before you do this. So I choose this and wait for it to get uploaded. So there is a loaded right now. So that's next thing you wanna make it a public. So as you can see, this is not a public file right now. Just click on this. Go here. So you're gonna have to edit permissions. Click an add item. It has to be user. Name it as all users. That's fine. So just save it out there. As you can see, this is a public file right now. That is, if you click the site, so it's getting downloaded. So it's a public file. So just close that. So next thing you want to do is to create a virtual machine. Go here, compute engine, VM instances. So this is the server which is gonna um, store your files and serve the website to the public. So just create an instance. I'll just name it demo. Go here. Make sure you select F1 Micro. I mean, this is the free tier they're providing. So this is free. You don't have to pay anything for this. This is always free. You don't have to pay anything at all. So if you want a site, if you want a server which is very powerful, it attracts a lot of traffic, then yeah, you can select more powerful machines over here. So we're looking for a free server right now. So click on F1 Micro. As you can see, this is free, 720 hours for a month. So make sure you don't exceed that. So click on this, and you have to select a different OS here. Just make sure you select on this. So Red Hat, this is fine. I think 20 GB is fine, more than enough. If you want a more storage, you can increase there. So select it. Team, we are fine. So create. So this is getting created. Let's wait for it to get created. So the next step we have to do is to reserve this IP address into a static one. So what happens is that what DNS does is that every website has an IP address with it, right? So a website domain name is linked to an IP address. So that's how DNS works. So if the IP address is changing a lot, you can't sort of link it, right? The domain has nothing to link if the IP address is changed. So we have to make sure this thing is always the same. So go to the network settings. So let's go to the VPC network, external IP addresses. So yeah, mine is already a static reserved one right now. So even if it's not reserved for your case, so just go to the reserved, name it something. You can name it whatever you want. So attach it to the demo. So I'm gonna name it like IP address demo. So just reserve. Might take some time, so just come back. So this is our IP address. So let's go to the system and start configuring our site server for hosting our site. So just click on this, just connect via SSH. You can do it what we put here for Windows. So this is way better. You shouldn't have to worry about the keys and all. So let's wait for it to get connected. System right now. So first thing you want to do is to log in as a super user. We are a super user right now. So the next again I have to do is yum. Sorry for that. Yum update -y. So this is gonna take some time. So let's come back after this. It's gonna take around 10 minutes to complete. So just maybe be patient if you, even if you can't see any transaction going on, it'll be done within 10 to 15 minutes because this is a very powerful machine. So it's fine. Hardly it's gonna take 10 minutes. It's not a big deal. So let's install the server, Apache server. Just go to yum install. I'm sorry for that. And that's why. So now this is going to take another 15 to 10 minutes. So I'll come back after this. Thank you. Let's see where the current directory is. So we have to move the current directory to /var www.html. So we are in the HTML file right now. So what we have to do right now is to download the files we have stored at the initial step in the video. That is our website files. So let's go to the sorry for that. Let's go to the storage. This is our files. Just copy the link from here. Copy link. Paste it here. Yeah, it's gonna download from that, so it's fine. Just press enter. So that's downloaded. If you can see, our files are downloaded here. So what you have to do is right now is to unzip it. So website files.zip. That's gonna unzip everything. So let me see the directory. Yeah, if you can see, our files are successfully unzipped. So all you have to do right now is to start a service towards the website. So as you can see, the index.html is where the website is going to point as a default. So let's start the service. So that's started. So let's verify if it's going to work or not. So this is the IP address, just copy it. As you can see, our website is successfully hosted. with this IP address. So make sure you never switch this system off. It has to be on all the time, and the service has to run all the time till you have to host this website. So the next step is to sort of associate this IP address with a domain name. So let's get to that. Domain name. So we are in the domain register website. So whatever website you have which is hosting your domain name, go to there. So this is the domain I'm dealing with right now. So go to DNS. Management, just go to the add section here, select a name. So here you have to put at sign if you want the domain entire domain to point to the IP address. If you want a subdomain to point, then you have to give it some name of the subdomain. So I'm giving it as demo, and the IP address would be so what I did here was if you want the entire domain name to point to the website, the IP address, then you have to keep it as at okay. So if you want a subdomain that is a part of a domain that is like demo.srj.1, so you have to name just demo. That's it. Just save it. It's better to give a different custom TTL. Sorry for that. And you have to save it. So this might take a bit of time actually. It's not going to be very fast. So let's wait for some time and get back to you. If it's updated, so let's go to demo.srg. As you can see, it's already updated. So that's it. Your website is ready to be host. Website is hosted successfully, and thank you for watching.